Hey, this is Mike and Sarah Pappas, and our experience with Monty and his entire team has been one of a breath of fresh air. Our experiences, we've bought and sold several properties over the years using agents, and they've always been marred. Marred experiences from a trust, from over promise, under deliver, and in this situation, the original agent that we worked with, it ended up being a pretty bad situation, and Monty and his team actually represented the people that we were buying the home from, and they stepped in, and without taking a penny, without receiving a penny from us, have provided by far the one that provides integrous quality service, putting you first over dollars. Do not hesitate at all. Go with them. You'll thank us later.
Agreed. With Monty and his team, we definitely got the feeling that this wasn't just a real estate transaction. This was actually, we were dealing with human beings that had a heart and that really cared. Buying and selling a home is one of the most stressful experiences on the face of the earth, and Monty has a calm about him and his entire team. You just trust that everything is going to be okay, and we really felt like they really had our best interests at heart. So we're very, very grateful to have come alongside and worked with Monty Moore and his entire team, and we hope you will do the same.